Here's how to switch a design to landscape in Canva in 2026, free and pro methods. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. In Canva Free, you can't use the one-click resize feature. So the free method is create a new landscape design, then copy and paste your elements. Keep your current design open, then open Canva in a new tab. Click Create a Design, then tap Custom Size, then swap the width and height. Example, A4 portrait is 210 x 297 millimeters. Landscape is 297 x 210 millimeters. Now tap Create New Design. Go back to your original design, select everything. You can drag to highlight or press Select All, then copy. Go to the new landscape design and paste. All elements will appear on the new page. Now adjust it in chunks. Move your header first, then images, then text sections. Resize and align as needed so everything fits landscape cleanly. Make sure font sizes stay consistent after moving elements. If you have Canva Pro, use resize, choose landscape, and Canva auto-adjusts the layout. And that's it. Your design is now landscape. That's how to change to landscape in Canva in 2026. Subscribe for more Canva tips.